What's up, you guys? It is Eric here, and welcome back to Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. Now, as you guys can tell, my last video on Dragon Ball, 1.5k views, which is weird, because that's like a video I made 5 years ago, and I guess I just made a video on how to get this Time Patroller suit that I didn't explain very well. Anyway, in today's video, we're just going to go over all the transformations that I have so far. We're going to be checking out your basic Super Saiyan, the Kaioken, the Potential Unleash, Super Vegeta, Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan, Future Super Saiyan, and the Super Saiyan God Male. Basically, obviously, I have no ki, so I think when we get up to 3 bars of ki, that's when we can go for the first Super Saiyan. Right? This, obviously, I don't even know like the differences, but it does increase your your strength by a little bit. Alright, and if we were to power ourselves up by one more, we will go Super Saiyan 2, which I think makes us a lot more faster. Skill wise, I'm not sure, or base attack wise, I am not sure, but it does make us a bit more faster. Now, if we were to power up a little bit more, I say we should go full, I think we should full send it. We can go Super Saiyan 3. And this makes us a little bit more faster than the second Super Saiyan, and obviously it gives us longer hair, which is pretty cool. Let's see here. You see, obviously my boy has learned a lot more skills than the Time Patroller video. Anyway, that is Super Saiyan, and now we're gonna go check out all the other transformations. Alright, so with this transformation, right, if you have max stamina, you can go 20 times Kaioken. Now, with Kaioken, you can't necessarily, like, it doesn't rely on your ki, it relies on your stamina. You see, like, Kaioken is like an enhanced performance, or like a performance enhancer, right? It will take a lot of your stamina out. See, as I turn to this, my stamina rapidly goes down, but I'm a lot more faster, a lot more powerful, and since it's 20, and since it's like times 20, I should be a lot more powerful. But it does run out really quick. My personal preference, I don't like Kaioken, not because like it, you know, not because of like its red aura or it doesn't use any ki. It's the fact that it uses our stamina, right? And once you're max stamina, it does not matter, because most of the time when you have to Z vanish when fighting, and then that takes away stamina, and then that also takes away the time period of you having the Kaioken. Anyway, my personal preference is not Kaioken, but if you guys want to rock out Kaioken, that's totally great. Alright, so for this transformation, it's called Potential Unleash, and you can get this transformation by getting the Time Patroller suit. Now, basically, you have to get all the ranks on the Time Patrol training missions next to other Kai. Honestly, I did like it for a little bit. I can't remember like if it costs any. It does not cost any ki or stamina, I don't think, but I do think that you have to have like a reasonable amount of ki to use it. Your basic attacks may vary between this, like it honestly, it really depends on how, like, what your stats are or what your attributes are for your basic attacks. But I think, me personally, I wouldn't go for Potential Unleash. And I don't know, it's a pain to get sometimes when you don't know how to Z rank on any of the Time Patrol training missions. But for anyone who doesn't have Super Saiyan and, you know, who doesn't know how to get it, or it's too hard, just know that Potential Unleash, I believe, goes on all races in this game. So if you really want something, like if you're just like, you know, battling someone and you just want to do that, make it look a lot more powerful. There you go. Alright, this next transformation is Super Vegeta. Now, Super Vegeta, obviously, as egotistical as it sounds, this transformation is actually one of my personal favorites, because with Super Vegeta, it enhances your like super attacks, right? So just go ahead and turn it in, and obviously the amount of ki you have, the higher the level it goes. Now it can't go Super Vegeta 3 because obviously that's not canon, which sucks. But Super Vegeta 2 is better. Obviously, you're a lot more faster. I think you're a little bit more faster than Super Saiyan 3, and your super attacks are a lot more powerful. So let's go ahead and throw my signature move. And that almost took out like 1.5 of the health bars. Now, like I said, if you guys want to if you guys can't get like Super Saiyan God or Super Saiyan God Male or something like that, or the regular Super Saiyan, Super Vegeta is something to go to. It's also a lot more faster to transform to. All you gotta do is that, and you're all good. Yeah, let's go on to the next transformation. Alright, our next transformation we're going to be going over is Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan, or for short, Super Saiyan Blue. Now, this one I personally don't like. Just like the Kaioken, it doesn't deplete your stamina, but it does deplete your ki. Let's go ahead and transform. With this one, you have to talk to Whis, and he will train you, and then he will just give you Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan. Now, as you guys can see, my ki is slowly depleting, right? Let's see what it does for our super attacks, because I totally forgot. So, more powerful than Super Vegeta, for sure. I took out basically 2 of her health bars. Like I said, my personal preference wouldn't be Super Saiyan God Blue, but since it was the only thing that was out at the time, and when I made that time controller video, that's what I had. That's what I had. Alright, for this next transformation, we have Future Super Saiyan. Alright, so Future Super Saiyan, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, is nothing special. It's just like a normal Super Saiyan. But the only difference is that you can get ki a lot more faster, or recover ki a lot more faster. The transformation looks like this. It's pretty cool. Future Super Saiyan's pretty cool. I honestly can't remember how I got it, but yeah, like I said, Future Super Saiyan, it's cool and all, but it does kind of suck, other than gives you more ki. But attack wise, it's just the same. I don't know if it like increases the damage for our supers. Let's check it out. So, not as much, but yeah, me personally, I wouldn't go for this. It's more of like a waste of time in a way. Like, I hate saying that, but it really is. Alright, so for our last transformation for today, we have my personal favorite, the Super Saiyan God Male. Now, just like the movie Dragon Ball Battle of Gods, Goku turns into a Super Saiyan God with the red hair. Check it out. Now that's a pretty badass transformation, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this one is actually, like I said, my personal favorite. It does boost all your normal attacks, so I'm assuming it boosts your basic attacks, like your up close attacks or any of your little power attacks right here. Anyway, let's go ahead and check this one out. This one's on super strong. It's ready? Let's do it. It does feel good to be back playing this game. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my transformation review. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite transformation. Leave a like and please do subscribe. If we get 5 likes on this video, I'll do a mod review on any mod I find that's entertaining. Alright. Anyway, catch you guys in the next video. And it feels good to be back playing this game. Alright. Peace out, guys.